TrueView, the brand of Warner Electronics India Private Limited. We will see the hardware features of the Android 11 panel. Talking about the system, the operating system is Android 11. Processor is M-Log T982 Cortex A55 1.5 GHz. The system has 4 GB of RAM, 32 GB of inbuilt flash memory. Talking about screen resolution is 4K, viewing angle is 178 degree, aspect ratio is 16:9. Talking about the input ports, so at front you have one C port, 3 USB port, one HDMI port, one touch USB, IR sensor and a power button. At rear you have 2 HDMIs, 2 USB port, AV in and out, RS323, COAX and earphone. The panel also has Bluetooth 5.0. Talking about the hardware, the panel has 8 grade toughened glass, 20 watts 2 speaker, industrial grade aluminum framing. Now we are going to see how the new user interface of Android 11 is. So here you will get the side menu where we have home button, recent, annotations, source and control. Okay, the same we have at this corner as well. Same options. Apart from that, from here you can change the theme, you can enter the setting, you can go and switch off the power button. Here you can change volume and brightness from here itself. Apart from this, there is a follow menu which can be called anywhere. If you are pressing your 3 fingers, you can call the menu. This is the central menu where you have multiple options, like here you can see home button, whiteboard, OPS, screenshot, screen record, back button, and there is also a provision to add the app which you use frequently. And on the top you have one swap menu at the bottom which give you the entire control for the panel. Now we are going to see the whiteboard feature of the panel. In the whiteboard we have pen, eraser, shape, background, redo, undo, select. Now we will going to see that which are the new added feature of whiteboard. So if you click on the tool, you will get 12 new features of whiteboard. Suppose if you want a ruler where you can draw a line of any radius, you can switch and make angles also if you want. So very easy to use. Then you can use compass for drawing the circle. Spotlight option for just revealing the particular part of the diagram. I'll clear the screen. You can insert the table, increase the number of columns, increase the number of rows. By just using your fingers, you can zoom in, zoom out also. Now suppose if I want to write something in it, so I can directly start writing. You have an option of curtain. for revealing the particular part of the diagram. On screen calculator can be used. So now we are going to see the setting part. To enter the setting part, you have multiple options wherein you can go for setting from here itself, okay. Then you can go for setting by just swapping and entering to the option from here, settings. Here you can give the equipment name. We have given around 11 plus themes, so you can use the themes according to your style, whichever themes you want. There are medical, finance, industrial, general settings, education, technology, classic. So there are many themes which you can use. Talking about wallpapers, there are more than 48 plus wallpapers, so you can use those wallpapers. Talking about the network settings, with the panel you can go for wired connection using RJ45 connector, or you can go for wireless connection. You can make this panel as an hotspot, and you can even connect a device through the Bluetooth. Talking about the intelligence, then you can go for power management, power button mode, system mode, OPS boot mode, energy saving mode, and timing switches. Channel mode, intelligent identification, then power on channel. When you are pressing this power button, which screen should be viewed, that is known as power on channel. Then return, when I am clicking on the return button, or no signal standby, what it should show. Then security wise, yes, you can lock the USB, you can lock the entire screen, and you can even lock the individual apps. Talking about more details, so you have this suspended menu which is here, then you have side menu which is this, you have pull up menu which is at the bottom, okay. You can go for environmental sensitivity, the brightness will be auto corrected by the panel itself. You can go for centralized control, 5 finger off screen. If I am pressing my 5 fingers on the screen with the gesture, it will make the screen on the sleep mode. Then 3 fingers follow. If I want this menu anywhere on the screen, I just need to press my 3 fingers. So talking about the system settings, you can change the language, you can change the date and time, you can change the volume adjustment, the sound mode, from user to music to sports to news to movies. Talking about the system information, it gives you the system information like the system version is 11, okay. The memory information available is out of 4 GB of RAM, what is utilized. Then the storage memory, which is the flash memory of 32 GB. So you can see that what is being utilized so far, or what is the free memory. Then display resolution, which is 38402 2160. Then it gives you the power boot time, means for how long the panel was on. Then at the last we have the system updates. So you can do the factory setting from here, and you can update the local files if in case the company provides you with an local update. Now we are Now we are going to see that how we can connect the different devices with the interactive panel. So here I have downloaded the eShow app on my phone. So here you are able to see it, okay. I am just going to click it. I have just connected my network with the hotspot over here, and if I am clicking here on start screen, you can see that I have getting mirrored my Android phone. In a similar way, if I want, I can connect my laptop using the same app, and I can just click on the connect. Here you can see that I have connected 2 different devices. One is Windows laptop and one is Android phone. So this way you can add 2 more devices. At a time you can connect 4 devices where each can be used simultaneously. So I can change the files which I want, I can use this simultaneously. Fine. So this is a good example where you can connect 4 devices wirelessly using the eShow app in the Smart Interactive Flat Panel. So talking about more apps, clicking on more apps, from where you can download the app from the Play Store. You can download the apps from the Play Store over here. You can see that there are multiple apps. So whichever preferred app by you, which you want to use on the panel, you can download it from here. Now talking about the hardware deliverables, we will be providing you panel with a wall mount stand and its kit, 2 stylus, one remote control, power cable, 1 touch cable. We also provide hardware manufacturing warranty with the panel and online training sessions. Thank you.